welcome to this vlog. I hope mag-enjoy kayo sa aming travel papuntang Norway. And kasama ko dito si Habi mag-voice over.
Today you're gonna follow me and the Benny on a travel to northern Norway where we're spending 5 days. It's gonna be a really fun airplane trip. And there you see the luggage, there you see us going into the train. There's luggage with the pillows for our necks for a really comfortable trip. Train is really comfortable and nice and smooth ride. Going straight for the center of Stockholm. There we see my wife fixing her luggage and fixing her hair. Very important things when you're on a train. You're missing the views. You're not looking out the window. Look at the windows. The nature is really nice this time of year. Very green, very sunny, and although a bit windy, but it looks nice. There you see it. There you see the nice nature, at least for a second, because we switch back to the makeup. Yeah, the roof is nice too. I'm sure the makeup will be really good after this. Since the train is so smooth, there's no risk of mistakes. You can have a steady hand when applying the makeup. Good job. Get those eyelashes nice and black. I'll get back to you guys when we're finished with the makeup. We're now 2 hours later and the makeup is finished. We are arriving in Stockholm. And there you see the train smoothly rolling the last few meters before coming to a stop. And we're standing by the door, ready to run to the next train because there has been a train delay. So we must be really quick if we're gonna get on the next train, which goes to Arlanda. There we see the doors open and we quickly start running to the next train. Really quickly, you see. There we are. I've arrived at the next train, the Arlanda Express. And there we stand because it's a very short trip. It's just 18 minutes till the next, until we're at Arlanda. Here we see the train taking off on our way. Here we see all the people excited to get off at Arlanda. Everyone excited about their flights. And now we're just gonna go check where the check-in is.
Baby, Integloma da pillow.
Bag drop is finished. We're through security by now. And inside, looking for our gates. Walking through the restaurants, seeing the airplanes, waiting for the passengers. And now we're walking toward our airplane. And that is the stairs into the airplane. Now it's time to let my wife back to do the voiceover. I hope you enjoyed my commentary.
Thank you, bunch. So, I hope guys na nag-enjoy kayo sa voiceover ni Habi. Sa ngayon, nasa airplane na kami papuntang Oslo, Norway. 1 hour yung travel namin galing sa Arlanda, Sweden, papuntang Oslo, Norway.
USB-kabel skal frakobles sædet. Der skal også være frit udsyn.
It's already 6:54 na and nandito kami ni Habi sa Norway. So, yung Norway, kung sa Oslo lang, medyo malapit lang kami, kaya lang siyang i-drive mga 5 hours galing sa Örebro papunta sa Oslo. Pero ito kay north man siya, malayo talaga siya. So, 3 beses talaga kaming sumakay ng asawa ko sa plane. Yung unang plane, Arlanda, Sweden to Oslo, Norway, 1 hour siya. Tapos, nung sumakay na naman kami pa ibang city dito sa Norway, almost 2 hours siya. And then, ito yung last namin na plane, almost 1 hour. So, mga almost 4 hours lahat yung total sa paglipad papunta dito and worth it talaga siya. Hindi ko talaga gusto na mag sakay ng airplane, takutin talaga ako and almost 2 years na akong hindi nagsakay ng airplane kaya nanibago talaga ako. Sumakit yung katawan ko ba kay para din akong nag-drive, yung ganyan talaga yung katawan ko tapos dito din sakit kay ganyan ako and then mag-hold ako sa yung upuan kay takot talaga ako. Yung unang plane at saka second plane, hindi kami katabi ni Habi sa airplanes dahil nakabook na yung planes niya. Yung sa train tsaka airplanes and then yung tirahan namin, free to siya. Naka-prepare na 'to para sa kanya. Tapos yung aking travel, yun yung binabayaran namin. Tapos grabe ka-peaceful. Alam niyo yung tinitirahan namin sa Örebro, medyo malaki-laki naman siya na city. Peaceful na talaga siya, yung wala mang kaingay-ingay din yung Sweden, pero dito mas more talaga siya. And yung tinitirahan namin dito, kay yung old bitaw na style and nagustuhan ko kay kakaiba siya sa akin. Tapos feel ko na ma-relax talaga ako and ito talaga yung kailangan ko. Tapos tingnan niyo naman yung ating view. Everyday ito yung ating makikita. Mountains. Grabe ako ka-thankful talaga ni Habi na sinama niya ako dito. 1 week lang man kami dito and i-enjoy ko talaga 'to siya. So, kahit bitaw na nasa bukid tayo, okay din kay may wifi man dito. Ito yung tinitirahan namin guys, i-tour ko kayo. Pagpasok nyo dito, ito na yung agad-agad nyong makikita. May lagayan ng mga gamit dito. May vacuum. Tapos, mga gamit namin dyan, lagayan ng shoes, mga coats and jackets. And then, sa side naman dito, may mirror. And then, after, may bathroom. Yan. And then, ito na yung aming sala. May lamisa. Tapos, candle to nila. Si Happy. And then, my TV. Tapos, ito yung higaan namin. And then, ito yung pinaka-gusto ko na view dito. Na-show ko to sa inyo kanina. Bukid. May snow pa yung bukid doon na side, oh. And then, ito yung kitchen nila. May lutuan. And then, hugasan. Tapos, ref. I hope nag-enjoy kayo nito. Thank you for watching. I love you so much. Bye-bye.